Welcome, it's Michael Murray with Benzinga here in New York City for the 2023 Fintech Deal Day, sponsored by the main title sponsor of Unicoin, and Alex, the CEO, is here with us. Thank you very much for being here. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Michael. Pleasure to be here.
Great to have you and Unicoin here. And again, the main title sponsor, we're excited to hear directly from you about what Unicoin does. So can you start us there? What is Unicoin and what marketplace do you guys work in?
Unicoin is a cryptocurrency, which is the exact opposite from assetless and opaque cryptocurrencies of the first generation.
Got it.
Specifically, Unicoin is assets-backed, dividend-paying, audited, publicly reporting, and regulations compliant. We are trying to create a coin which is going to be much more stable than highly volatile cryptocurrencies of the past.
Understood. And your perspective on the cryptocurrency industry as a whole would be interesting, I think, with what you're building. But when you look at the volatility in Bitcoin and some of the other main well-known cryptocurrencies out there, what is it that you think sets Unicoin apart in what you're building that gives you an advantage in the marketplace?
Well, the volatility in the crypto industry has been extreme, but not surprising. Because if you think of it, cryptocurrencies only have the perceived value. There are no assets behind cryptocurrencies, including the largest of them all, Bitcoin.
Right.
And Bitcoin was created by an anonymous person to provide anonymity in financial transactions.
Yeah.
So let's be honest about the murky origin about crypto. Initially, it was used primarily for shady deals,
Sure.
for hiding money from authorities, spouses, partners. Now crypto market has overgrown that origin, but Bitcoin and similar cryptocurrencies were never created for stability or profitability.
Right.
I think that the crypto market is bound to mature from that origin, from the wild west days of crypto, into a mature segment of financial industry. There are such elementary things as being audited, publicly reporting, regulations compliant, will be a must for any significant player. And in our case, we also bring the advantages of presenting a coin which is assets-backed and dividend-paying.
Absolutely. So when you look at next year in 2024, for Unicoin specifically, what are your plans to continue growing, to continue attracting investors and getting the word out there about what you're doing?
We've been approaching our ICO in a similar manner as companies approach IPO. We've been laying groundwork, amassing portfolio of assets, creating brand value before going public. So for us, we are now approaching that stage where we take Unicoin to the public market.
Sure.
Right now, this year, we have already signed deals for more than $1.2 billion of real estate purchases, which we purchased with Unicoin. We've secured more than $500 million worth of deferred funding, in addition to our cash sales. So we're already much more than a company with a plan.
Yeah.
With a company with a plan which is well-funded.
Absolutely. And so a final question for you about the industry that you work in too. When you look at some of the advantages and the future things that we'll be able to do with cryptocurrency and with Unicoin too, what do you think are some of the most exciting developments on the horizon, and what do you look forward to doing at Unicoin in the future?
For me, cryptocurrency, and Unicoin in particular, is a natural step in the evolution of money, which started with people trading seashells, and then fast forward to people using gold, and then paper money, and then plastic, other forms of digital money. So now digital money is progressing, evolving from single ledger technology to blockchain technology, which is more secure, more efficient. So we believe that at least half of digital money is going to take form of cryptocurrencies. And that's about $40 trillion market.
Got it.
That's a huge growth from current 1.4 trillion growth market. The crypto market has already touched $3 trillion valuation in 2021, but the room for growth is enormous. And obviously, companies which provide better business models can get tremendous valuation. Just to put things into perspective, in 2021, two dog coins which were created as a joke, literally, reached the combined all-time high valuation of $130 billion, with no assets, no compliance, no audits or anything of the kind. So our objective is to benefit, to deliver benefit to our shareholders by providing investors around the world with a safer, more stable, more profitable incarnation of cryptocurrency.
Absolutely. Alex, the CEO of Unicoin, thank you very much for being here, joining us, and sharing a little bit more about what you're about to do, but also as the main title sponsor of both days of this event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Michael.